Starting. Good noon, respected tutor and my all peers. I'm here to represent my view about very fascinating topic. And today I'm here to introduce myself. Lots of thanks to all of you giving me this golden opportunity. My name is Mohammad Danish. I'm basically from Khaga. I live in a nuclear family with my parents and my brother. Let me tell you about my schooling. I study at Sukhdev Inter College, Khaga. My basic education, I pursue my graduation from Rajju Bhaiya State University, Prayagraj. I am very excited and happy. My hobby are singing a song, playing cricket, reading books, etc. If I have to tell you about my strengths, then I am very creative, kind, and determined person. I am very trustworthy to next 3 years. I wanna make as money as my new friend. Because I believe that life is all about the happiness, caring, and caring. So that was about me. Thanks again to all of you. As you know, everyone, 1,000 miles of journey start with a single step. So I would also like to start my topic with incredible greeting. So again, good noon to everyone. You all have know I'm Danis from Khaga itself. Today I'm here to represent my view about very fascinating topic. And the topic is here guys, why we focus on speaking and why it's important for everyone. You know what is the exact topic why we focus on speaking. There's no need only on speaking in English. There's every language we can speak. So first of all, I would like to start my topic with quotation, and the quote is: "A voice can change a moment, a mind, and sometime a life. Yet many people never learn how to use it. But your voice can open doors that silence never will." So let's start our topic. As you know, everyone, speaking is one of the most powerful skills for humans. It helps us to express our thoughts, feelings, and share ideas clearly. When we speak with confidence, then people understand us better and they take us serious. Because of speaking skill, we can build our self-confidence and reduce our fear and hesitation. You know, guys, there are two things: fear and hesitation. The both thing is very dangerous for human because it made you a word thinker. Like whenever you want to speak someone or stranger, you always stuck and you thought, if I will say something, so he will mind. If I will do something, so he will mind. There's no need to think again and again, guys. He's not a big shot. He's not a big deer. Just keep your positive thing, keep your positive attitude, and then you can speak before someone or a stranger with confidence and purpose. As you know, speaking is not just a skill, it's a power, a person who can speak with influence, inspire, and leads others. No matter how someone is intelligent. If they can't express their thought, their talent remains hidden. But when a good speaker speak with confidence, then whole world want to listen up, guys. You know, now I gonna tell you this topic from my way, from my story, then you will understand more. You know, when I used to do study at school, I think on that time I was 7 or 8 standard. You can't believe, guys, I didn't know how to talk and how to communicate with purpose and confidence. Because of these things, I lost many things there. Because whenever I wanted to ask any question to sir or ma'am, I always stuck. It's only because of speaking skill, lack about problem about the speaking skill or fear and hesitation. So first of all, we will have to reduce our fear and hesitation. But we can reduce our fear and hesitation only behalf of speaking skill. And you know, after some time, when I pass out from the school, then I heard about the global skill computer. And because on that time there was craze about the learning ADCA classes, then I thought I would also like to join ADCA classes. Then I went first time in this institute. Even I didn't know how to talk and how to communicate. When I entered the institute, there was Sabnam ma'am, and I didn't know how. Even I couldn't eye contact to her because of fear and hesitation. But somehow I took admission there, and after some time I ran away from there. It's only fear and hesitation. When it's my daily routine work. Whenever I entered the institute, I was always feeling fear, hesitation, and nervous. But after some time, when I met a random person, and his name is Risu sir. If Risu sir is watching to me, so I wanna say thank to him because after seeing him in this institute, I thought how he can improve a lot because his dressing sense, his behavior, his talking style, everything had changed because I knew when I used to do study at school, he was also there and he wasn't able to do anything. But after seeing him in this institute, I couldn't I can't put, I couldn't believe to myself he can improve a lot. Then I thought if he can improve, so I can also improve. Then you can't believe guys, kinda 1 to 2 hours I talked to him. Then I decided to join speaking class. Then I went for taking admission in ADC class. Speaking class there was also sir, and uh, I did mistake there when I entered the classroom and I told sir, I want take admission in speaking class. Uh, so there was sir told me, yeah, Danish, you can why not you can take admission. But I did mistake and my mistake was that I told sir, please keep your best timing 10 to 11. 10 to 11 guys, and there was also two random person. They were laughing. You can say they are laughing, hurting my heart. Their wording hurting my heart. Then I decided if I'll not do today, so I'll never do in my life. Then I joined speaking class and I was improving gradually. Because of these things, today I'm here. I can face to everyone. I can do everything. It's only on behalf of speaking skill. So we will have to learn how to speak confidence and purpose. And after after sir like told me many things like how we can talk, how we can speak, even how to talk to stranger and what is our dressing sense, everything sir told me. That's why today I'm here. I'm speaking to in front of everyone. And you all are here. Like there's also Savanam ma'am. Why sir hired to her? Because she know how to talk, how to communicate, and how to attract people or students. Because of speaking skill, ma'am can attract easily. If I think ma'am don't know how to talk or how to communicate, I think sir didn't hire to her. I'm not talking about only Savanam ma'am. I'm not talking about only speaking class. I'm not talking about only in this institute. I'm talking about every society, even whole world want to focus on your speaking skill or your body language. So you have to speak and you can imagine guys why it's so important and why we focus on speaking. You all are here and you are focusing on my speaking skill, not to myself now. And after some time, sir will judge me because of my speaking skill. Am I right? Yeah. So you can think and you can imagine. So you will have to speak for yourself and your country also. There's also Ashish sir. I think everyone know about the Ashish sir. He is the king of making excuses. And now today he is here because of only on speaking skill. So you can think and you can imagine why it's so important. Because I know when I used to do study at ADCA classes, there was also Ashish sir, and he always wearing mask, and I didn't know why he always wearing mask. Then I couldn't control to myself. One day I asked to sir, why he always wearing mask? Then sir told me, Danish, he has a lots of excuses, and even sir told me if he will join the speaking class so I can improve to him. Now today he is here. He can face to everyone. He can do everything in his life. I think he never stop from now. It's only on behalf of speaking skills. So you can think, you can imagine if Ashish sir can improve, so everyone can improve. So guys, at least you will have to learn. You know, before become a good speaker, first of all, you will have to become a good listener. If you will not be a good listener, so you can't be a good speaker. And the most then you can imagine I'm a good speaker, then you can attract everyone, you can buttering apply to everyone, like everyone impressed to you, then you can say yeah, I'm a good speaker. So guys, at last I want to say my conclusion, and my conclusion is if our Indian people know how to talk and how to communicate with confidence and purpose, they wouldn't just share their words, they share, build understanding and save the future. Because if we willing to improve, our India willing to improve. If we willing to speak, our India willing to speak. Because We are a youth of in this India, so only we can improve our India. So guys, for our country, we will have to speak, and only we will have to reach our country in a top. So at last, I end my presentation with quotation, and this quote is written by Muhammad Iqbal, and this quote is very good. I think after listening these lines, everyone will be clapping, and that one is सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा। मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तां हमारा। So guys, at last I want to say a little bit line, and this line is, guys, ideas die in silence, but live forever when you spoken. So use your voice wisely. I hope you got it my all point at last. Uh, Thanks for giving me your golden timing, and thanks for listening to me. Thank you everyone.